to Review Weekly. Today I'm reviewing 2 from 1 Jelly Roll Quilts. This is a awesome book. This is one that I've had on my bookshelf for some time now. It was first published in 2010 and basically it is by Pam and Nicky Lintott. I hope I pronounced that right. I'm sorry if I haven't. But it has 18 different designs in it, and as the title suggests, you get 2 quilts from 1 jelly roll. So basically it has your normal everyday information in the book. As I said, I've had this one for quite some time. It's been sitting on my bookshelf. I have done a couple of things out of it. I have made the sailboat one, and I've also made this first one here. And you can see I have made some different things that I have written in it and all the rest of it. As I said, this is my book. This is the quilt that the first quilt that I made out of it. And I used to make this quite a lot for different people for baby quilts, and they used to purchase it off me. So I'm just going to dive through the book and show you some of my favorite. This one here is called Square Dance. I absolutely love it. It also has Strip the Willow, which this is the other quilt that you make out of it. So as I said, it is 2 from 1 jelly roll, and you can see they've added some extra fabric in this one. That's a view of the whole thing, and again you can see I have started to do some notes and everything on that. I absolutely love the look of that one. Like, you could even do this one for out of your scrap basket. You wouldn't necessarily need a jelly roll. So, but I just like the pattern of it. It looks very vintage to me, and I just absolutely love it. This book is very handy as well. It comes with quite an in-depth in the back. It gives you general techniques, and it goes into depth on different techniques. Talks about some tools, and then it goes into different techniques that you use. So chain piecing, removing dog ears, pinning, your seams. It also talks a little bit about a scant 1/4 inch, and also talks about pressing and what it works best for you, joining borders and binding strips, and it just goes on from there. Fusible fleece and adding borders, and etc, etc. It has some beautiful, absolutely beautiful quilts in it. My next favorite one is the Teddy Bear and Loving Hearts. It's done with what I would call your country colors, or your I guess a lot of Civil War colors are in this one as well. But you can see here on the next page, that's the little teddy bear one. Perfect quilt for a baby or a receiving gift or something along those lines. And then it goes on, and you can see how clear the instructions are, very step by step. And then it goes on to the next quilt that's made with the rest of the jelly roll. So this one's heart one. This one would be great to give as a gift to your grandma, or even your young daughter, someone that's just left home. And again, it has all the step-by-step instructions, and you can see it's very clear and concise. I will leave a link down below where you can get this one. I recommend that everybody should have this on their bookshelf, because it is a great resource for quilts, and it has 18 different designs in there, and you can use some of those jelly rolls that everybody has sitting in their stash. So as I said, I will leave a link down below and all the relevant information, such as author and where to get it from. If you like this video today, please leave us a thumbs up down below. Leave us a comment and tell us what you thought. Do you have the book, and what do you think of the projects in it? And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon beside it, and that way you won't miss out on any future posts. My name's Nicole Reid for Darvanalee Designs Studio, and this is Review Weekly. Bye for now. I'll see you all again next time.